Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much for joining in. Today, we are going to discuss about one of the beautiful topics in the world of foreign exchange, which is known as ISDA. ISDA refers to International Swaps and Derivative Association, and we are going to speak about one of the most beautiful topics in ISDA, which is known as ISDA CSX. Like in the last video, we had discussed, ISDA is divided into three parts, which is ISDA Master Service Agreement, ISDA Risk Disclosure Statement. There is one more document which is linked with ISDA Master Service Agreement, which is known as ISDA Schedule 2 Annex and ISDA CSX. From this side, I'm Rahul Magan, working as a corporate treasurer in EXL Services. At the same time, I'm also acting as a treasury trainer and business consultant for various firms across the world. You're most welcome to join our foreign exchange academies, which is Foreign Exchange Daily Thinkers, which are on three, which is LinkedIn, YouTube, and Dailymotion. LinkedIn having 2,034 global members, YouTube 30 videos, so as Dailymotion. You're welcome to contact me at 919899242978 and also rahulmagan8@gmail.com. I'm again stressing the fact that today we're going to speak about one of the most beautiful concepts, which is the CSX. Post year 2008, we have saw a sudden failure of a world financial system. And after that, majority of the CFOs and majority of the companies went to courts. In fact, the banks went to courts that companies do not want to honor their transaction. At the same time, companies retaliate in the court that they are not aware about the risk which they were signing. Because of this, a statement came into play, which is known as Risk Disclosure Statement. So this was the third one. The first one was ISDA MSA, ISDA Master Service Agreement, second is the Schedule. ISDA Schedule 2 Annex. However, in the last few years, we have saw majority of the Indian information technology companies and the companies across the world who are under long-term manufacturing contracts. They are hedging for a longer tenure. So this generated one of the most beautiful topics in ISDA, which is known as CSX. Some books are also referring this as CSA, which is being by Credit Support Annex. Now, what do you mean by that? Credit Support Annex is nothing but an additional document over and above the corporate guarantee, which companies have to sign or companies have to give to banks, so that in case of any disagreement between the company and a bank at maturity, both parties would be able to save themselves. I'm again stressing the fact that Credit Support Annex is the fourth document. The first one would be ISDA Master Service Agreement. The second would be Schedule 2 Annex. Third would be Risk Disclosure Statement. And then in that, Credit Support Annex board comes into play. Now, how this works? To take a very simple example, we all know that majority of the Indian ITS companies are working on the intercompany transfer pricing model, and one of them we have in Cognizant US. Cognizant US is acting as a marketing agent for Cognizant India. Cognizant India, as we all know, taking 7-year hedging with various banks. For an example, we are taking 3 banks, which is JP Morgan, Deutsche, and you can say Bank of America. They're taking 7-year long-term hedging with these 3 banks. Now, before that, Cognizant India signed an ISDA document with JP Morgan, DB, and Bank of America. Now, this is the document will further divided into 2 parts. One is ISDA Master Service Agreement. Second is known as ISDA Schedule 2 Annex. And one more, which is known as ISDA risk disclosure statement. Now since they are hedging for a longer tenor, how it will work? Cognizant India would have $100 million 7 years contract with JP Morgan, DB and Bank of America. Now these people would offset this contract in known as interbank market. Now once they offset this contract in the interbank market, or they will create a net overnight position or net overnight open position as per Reserve Bank of India guidelines. Now they know that now these banks will come to Cognizant and say, hey, anytime you can come to me and cancel the contract, but I do not have that privilege in the interbank market. In that sense, you have to sign a document which is one of the effective document in ISDA. And in that regard, if you come to me, example, Cognizant is doing a 7-year deal. After 2 years, Cognizant come to JP Morgan and saying, I want to cancel the deal. Now JP Morgan deal on cancellation, if there would be a gain, it will not pass to client. If there be a loss, client would pay. Now that gain loss is nothing but M2M. M2M stands for mark to market. Please be note that this is one of the simplistic examples of ISDA, and the real CSS could be very different, wherein you could have these terms which we may not be able to tell there at that place. But the real ISDA CSS would be far different. Now in this Cognizant India, there is always a sense of fear. Now Cognizant India, sorry, my mistake, Cognizant US would sign corporate guarantee plus CSX with all three banks, JP Morgan, Bank of America and DB. They would sign these and in this they would give a lien. Now how it would work? Cognizant US to put a lien at the parent, which is JP Morgan US. Now lien could be say $100 million, and suppose this is LIBOR plus 120 basis point, payable 6 months. Now in this lien will protect JP Morgan that if there would be a M2M loss, then JP Morgan will deduct this M2M loss not only from the principal plus also from the interest, and if there would be M2M gain, that will not pass to client. Now this CSX would not only help themselves in cancellation of the deal, but would also help the company come to a cross default swap in terms of cross default, any kind of intentional default, and in terms of the credit risk. So in nutshell, CSX will help the banks as well as the companies. This will applicable to companies as well. CSX will not only help the banks but also the companies to not only protect themselves from any kind of cross default, also the long-term contract which they are doing. Now these long-term contracts may or might not be forecasted receivables. However, they can have forecasted payables as well. Forecasted payables or long-term liabilities. Now take an example of the long-term liability. You have L&T, you have Reliance Industries Limited, you have HPCL, you have BPCL, you have Indian Oil Corporation and all the oil companies in India. They have a long-term liability in the books and already sent a CSX in that. One more thing where CSX will come into play in case of hedging for long term, which is known as credit value adjustment, which is known as CVA. Credit value adjustment is nothing but a capital charge. If you are keeping a lien to the parent company to whom you are dealing with, example, obviously you are dealing with JP Morgan India, then the CVA put up by JP Morgan India on a long-term deal, because in case of exporters you will pay, in the case of importers you will receive. So as an accountant, it's act as a cash flow for both of them, cash outflow for both of them. That CVA would reduce to a larger extent, and in that sense, CSS will not only help banks, companies to saving themselves from any kind of cross default and other form of credit risk, but also able to save themselves from CVA, so they would have better rates for their exposure. In a nutshell, I would like to reiterate the fact that credit support and X play a very important role when it comes to the signing of when it comes to hedging your long-term commitment, and also at the same time credit support and X play a very significant role when it comes to cross default, when it comes to credit risk or any kind of merger and acquisitions, like we have seen in year 2008 when majority of the banks went to bankruptcy. With this, I would like to thank you very much, and I would like to take this opportunity to sparing your time for that video. You're most welcome to contact me at this number 919899242978. You're welcome to email me at raonagan8@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Thanks for your thought, and have a great evening as well.